what's happening these days are like there are continuous strike from the political parties because of their reasons, and we are not being able to come out on the road because cars are not allowed during strikes. So my car is being sitting duck for like 7 days, and I decided to take it out right now just to charge the batteries and keep the fuel system running, because what I have done is that my battery drains a lot if I keep it idle, not running it, because of this security system that I have. If I don't use it and the car is parked, so what happens is that the security system is always on. It is actually doing something all the time. It's if somebody tries to break in, the system generates an alarm, so it is always on, and I can't turn it off because it's hot wired with the battery. So whenever I keep the car idle for like 10 days or 7-8 days, the battery runs out. And the second thing is that my fuel system, I usually run by CNG, so there is not enough consumption of fuel. So whatever the fuel that is left in my fuel chamber, the gas tank is like getting stale. It's losing its octane count. So what happens is whenever there is a long period of time the petrol is sitting idle in the car, it doesn't respond that good. The problem is that it makes that noise that is happening right now. Usually generally the fuel quality is very bad in Bangladesh, and when you keep it for a long time, because I use CNG, so I don't have the use of fuel that much. For example, if I get like 10 liters of fuel, it will take me about a month, about 2 weeks to use that, because I use alternative fuel. There is 2 different fuel system in this car, so that is the problem when I keep my car sitting idle. So I took it out today in the middle of the night just to charge the batteries up and make sure the fuel system is running well. So you should do this to your car more often. আপনারা যদি বেশি দিন গাড়িটাকে বসায় রাখেন, you have to do this. আপনার অবশ্যই গাড়িটাকে বের করতে হবে এবং এটাকে চালাতে হবে যাতে ব্যাটারিটা চার্জ হয় ডায়নামোটার মাধ্যমে এবং আপনার তেলের সিস্টেমটা যাতে সুন্দর মতো রান হয়. So this is my last run and I'm gonna make a good time out of this. That is what I'm thinking right now. Okay, this time we're gonna do a really fast sprint. That noise whenever I press the gas pedal, it creates a rattling noise. But if I push it really hard, slowly it goes away. It happens because of the fuel injectors are clogged up. They're dry and there is like sediments from the fuel that is dried inside, and the flow of the pressure of the fuel is not sufficient. That's why it is happening. If I switch it to the alternative fuel that I use, that is the concentrated natural gas, it will not happen anymore at all. dogs attacked me. That was fun. It was very sudden. The dog, they just came out of nowhere in front of the car, but I could do whatever it needed to be done. So that's it, folks. That's Mohammadpur in the middle of the night.